Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will see how to find the area of triangle using determinant method. So this is the important point because many times they have asked you in the exam find the area of triangle using determinant method. So we will solve two problems. The first question is find the area of triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. So the first question is first coordinate 1 0, 6 0 and 4 3. So these are the three coordinates they have given. Now we have to find out the area of triangle. So what is the procedure? So first coordinate, give this name as x1 y1. So what is x1 y1? Which is 1 0. Okay. Now second x2 y2. x2 y2 is what? 6 0 and third is x3 y3 which is what? 4 3. So given thing, whatever the three coordinate they will give you, give this name as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and therefore we can find directly area of triangle. Therefore area of triangle we can denote this as del letter, and formula is 1 by 2 determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this is the formula. How to remember this formula? Write x1 x2 x3 first column, y1 y2 y3, and third column is 1 1 1, and multiply this by 1 by 2. So this is the formula from area of triangle. So we will substitute all the values. Therefore del is equal to 1 by 2 times determinant. So what is the x1 value? x1 value is 1, x1 1 6 4, x1 x2 x3. So write this as 1 6 4. Then x2 y1 y2 y3 0 0 3. So 0 0 3. And what is the third? 1 1 1. So third column is fixed, which is 1 1 1. Now evaluate this. This is 1 by 2 times. Now evaluate the determinant. How to find the determinant? 1 into. Now 1 into. What is the determinant of this? 1 into this and this get eliminated. ये और ये eliminate होगा तो क्या बचेगा? 0 1 3 1, right? Minus 0 into ये second entry 0 into क्या होगा? कौन सा element बचेगा? 6 1 and 4 1, right? अभी plus 1 into अभी क्या बचेगा? 1 into के लिए ये 6 0 और ये 4 3, correct? 6 0 and 4 3. Now we will evaluate this. So 1 by 2 times 1 into 0 into 1 is what? 0, right? Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 0 into anything is what? 0. So don't evaluate this because this will be 0 for 0 into whatever the number is. Now plus 1 into 6 3s are 18, minus 4 into 0 is 0. So 1 by 2 is outside, so I have written big bracket for this 1 by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 2 times, what is 0 minus 3? Minus 3, and this into 1, so which gives you minus 3, right? And plus 18 minus 0 is 18, and 18 into 1 is 18, correct? So what in 18 minus 3? So 1 by 2 into 18 minus 3, 15, right? So what is the answer? This is 15 by 2. So area of triangle is 15 by 2. Check whether this is difficult or not. This is very easy actually, because just write x1 x2 x2 x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 and 1 1 1 and evaluate the determinant. Okay, so there is no any difficult thing in this problem. So in exam you try to solve this type of problem. We will see the second problem also. In second problem they have given x1 y1 which is what? Minus 2 minus 3, x2 y2 which is 3 2, x3 y3 which is nothing but minus 1 minus 8, and therefore area of triangle is equal to del, which is equal to 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, now substitute all the values. So therefore del is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, x2, x3, minus 2, 3 and minus 1. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. And y1, y2, y3 is minus 3, 2 and minus 8. Minus 3, 2, minus 8. And what is this? This is 1, 1, 1. Okay, so therefore evaluate this 1 by 2 into. Now first entry is minus 2. So minus 2 into. What is the determinant? This minus 2 means this and this get eliminated. So 2, 1, minus 8, 1 is the remaining. Now minus for your determinant. And second entry is what? Second entry is minus 3. So minus 3 into. This and this get eliminated. So 3, 1, minus 1, 1. 3, 1, minus 1, 1 will be remaining. Right? And now plus 1 into. Last entry is 1. So 1 into 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. Okay. So evaluate this determinant. So this is equal to 1 by 2 times minus 2 into. Minus 2 into. 2 ones are 2. And this minus 8 ones are what? Minus 8. Correct? And this minus minus becomes plus 3. Now 3 ones are 3. Correct? 3 ones are 3. And next minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Correct? Now plus 1 into 3 into minus 8 is what? Minus 8 3s are 24. And this minus and 2 into minus 1 is what? Minus 2. 1 by 2 into. Right? Minus 2 into. What is 2 minus minus 8? 2 minus minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 8 is what? 10. Plus 3 into. What is minus minus? Plus. So 3 plus 1 which is 4. Correct? 1 into. Minus 24 and minus minus plus. So minus 24 and plus 2 which is minus 22. So evaluate this 1 by 2. 10 2s are 20. We have to give minus 20 because minus sign we have. Plus 3 4s are 12. Right? And minus 21s are 22 ones are minus 22. So therefore this is 1 by 2 minus 20 and plus 12. What is this minus 20 plus 12? Minus 8. And this minus 22. Correct? And minus 22 and minus 8 is what? Minus 30. Correct? And 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. And what is this? 1 remaining. And 2 5s are 10. So therefore you will get what? Minus 15. But area cannot be negative. Right? So the area cannot be negative. Therefore we can write area of triangle is 15. Area of triangle is 15. So because either likho area cannot be negative. Area cannot be negative. That's why area we have to write as a positive value. Okay. So these are the two problems from the area of triangle. So if you understood, then please solve many more problems. So if you understood this problem, please solve more problem. Try to practice it because this question is for 4 marks. So it will be benefited to your exam also. Okay. Thank you very much.